Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine and must be preparing for your revision test. As your revision test has started and we are discussing the chapters which are in your revision test. So one by one the whole syllabus will be revised in 5 parts. In the same way, you should also revise each and every chapter at your home. So dear class, as of now we have discussed chapter 1, A Letter to God, chapter 2, Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom, Fire and Ice, Dust of Snow, and A Triumph of Surgery. Today in this video we are going to discuss letter writing. As we know that only formal letters are there in your syllabus, so we are going to discuss letter to civic authorities, which is in your revision test 1 syllabus, which is in your syllabus of revision test 1. So let us continue. So what we are going to discuss today? We are going to discuss letter to civic authorities. Okay, so as I need not to tell you the format, many times format has been discussed. Even though, as it has been seen, many of you are making mistakes regarding format, so that is why I keep repeating the format in my video. First of all, you will have to write the sender's address, dear students, which you know very well. Let me write here. And sender address, it is given in the question. So from question you will have to write 12 upon 24 Sarita Vihar, New Delhi. Okay, if you know the zip code, pin code, you must write. Then after leaving a line, write date and date. Many students have made mistakes while writing the date. Many times I told you the date should be written in only this format only. It is 15th October, so it should be written in this way: 15th October 2020. 15 October 2020. Okay, after that leave a blank line, then write the address of receiver. So we are going to write this letter to civic authorities. So the SHO, Sarita Vihar, the SHO police station, Sarita Vihar. Okay, it cannot be seen. After that, dear students, you will have to write receiver's address. For example, the SHO police station Sarita Vihar, Okay, New Delhi. Okay, after that, once again leave a line and write subject. Subject should be in phrases. Subject should be in phrases. Don't write the whole line. Okay. After subject, salutation, sir. After sir, no comma. At many students they put comma after sir. Okay, but after sir, no comma is put. No comma is required after salutation, sir or madam. So avoid putting comma after salutation, sir or madam. Okay. Then content in paragraph 1, in the body of the letter, in paragraph 1 you should give the introduction as you are writing to a civic authority. So how you can start such types of letter, let me tell you. I would like to draw your, as you are writing it to civic authorities directly, so that is why you are supposed to write your here, but in letter to editor you are not supposed to write your here. I would like to draw your kind attention towards the subject mentioned above. I would like to draw your kind attention towards the subject mentioned above. It should be in first paragraph. Then whatever the problem, you have to detail the problem in para 2, in paragraph 2. Okay, then give your suggestion, in para 3rd. Okay, and then conclusion, closing lines. After closing line, then closing line. Okay, after closing line, thanking you, yours faithfully. After closing line, thanking you, yours faithfully. Yours faithfully. And many students put apostrophe while writing yours. They put apostrophe after writing yours. It is not required. You are not supposed to put apostrophe here. And F should be in small. Whether you can write yours faithfully, and if you are writing a person, writing a letter to a person with whom you talked earlier, in that condition you should write yours sincerely. Okay, but if you are writing a letter to, as we are talking about civic authorities, so whenever you will write a letter to any civic authority, in that condition you must write yours faithfully. Okay, if you are writing a letter to the editor, then you should write yours truly. If you are writing a letter to for ordering anything or for inquiry, and you had already a telephonic discussion regarding the same, in that condition you should write yours sincerely. Okay dear students, it is very important, and there is no apostrophe here. yours. Okay, Y should be capital but F should be in small. Okay. So for civic authorities, yours faithfully. For civic authorities, yours sincerely. This is a person for a person or authority or organization, okay, with whom already a discussion took place in that condition. Okay, the next is yours truly. Yours truly. You should write yours truly for a letter to editor. Okay, which you must remember, must keep it remember. These are some common mistakes which I have observed in your unit test 1. So that is why I have been discussing these things, so that you won't make mistake, okay, in your forthcoming examinations. So now let us go through some solved examples to understand it better. So dear students, let us discuss the same letter which has been given in your sample paper. Okay. You are Tabassum Tarun of Satyanagar Colony, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. You have noticed that some residents of your colony are repeatedly flouting quarantine rules laid out during the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. Write a letter to the SHO of the local police station drawing attention towards the same. Explain how such acts impact the health of the community and request immediate intervention and strict action. Okay. So let me write the question, then I'll show you the board. Notice that some residents of your colony let me write just subject only, na? So on your screen you can see the whole letter. So let me write the subject only. Then I'll show you the board. Don't worry, this time you cannot see the board. Okay. What is the subject? Yes. So quarantine rules are repeatedly being flouted. Okay. Quarantine rules are repeatedly being flouted. Okay. First of all, you will have to write your address which is given in the question. Whatever the address given in the question. Actually now I cannot see the question on the screen, so that is why I am going to write this address: ABC Colony, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Okay, after that leave a line, then date 15 October 2020. Write the date only in this format. Okay, don't change the format, either you will get confused and make mistake. After that, whom you are going to write the letter? To the SHO of your area. The SHO, after leaving a line, the SHO police station, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Okay. After that, subject, after leaving a line, after subject always put colon. Many students they put dash. No, it is not acceptable. Many students they put colon and dash. It is not acceptable. Only colon should be there. Okay. Subject. What is the subject? Quarantine rules are being flooded. Okay, quarantine rules are being flooded. This is the subject. Now sir, then on behalf of the residents, on behalf of the residents of my colony or my area, whatever it is, my apartment, okay, my colony, I would like to draw your kind attention towards the subject mentioned above. Okay, dear students, let me show you. Yes. On behalf of the residents of my colony, I would like to draw your kind attention towards the subject mentioned above. Okay, this is your first paragraph. Now in the coming paragraphs we have to give detail. we have to discuss our problem in detail. Second paragraph now. The second paragraph, as we all know that the cases of COVID-19 are on the rise. As we all know that the cases of COVID-19 are on the rise in the city. Okay. It has become very difficult to move out of home. It has become very difficult to move out of home, as it is always a danger of coming into the contact of COVID-19 positive person. So as we all know that the cases of COVID-19 are on the rise in the city, it has become very difficult to move out of home, as it is always a danger of coming into the contact of COVID-19 positive person. But it's in the same paragraph, but it seems some people but it has been observed, okay, you can write, but it has been observed that some people are not taking the guidelines given by the authorities, or given by the government, state government, you can write, given by the state government seriously. Okay. But it has been observed that some people are not taking the guidelines given by guidelines for quarantine. Here you can add, as this letter is about the quarantine rules, so you can add here the guidelines given for the quarantine, given for quarantine. Okay. So, but it has been observed that some people are not taking the guidelines given for the quarantine, by the state government seriously. Okay. They are not staying at home and moving here and there even without putting on, or you can also write wearing, putting on or wearing masks on their face. Okay. Now next paragraph. Thus they are risking their lives as well as others' lives. Thus they are risking their lives as well as others' lives. Okay, so they are not staying at home, and it should be and moving here and there even without putting on or wearing mask on their face. Thus they are risking their lives as well as others' lives by flirting the rules, the quarantine rules, by flirting the quarantine rules. Okay. So they are not staying at home and moving here and there even without putting on mask on their face. Thus they risking their lives as well as others' lives by flouting the quarantine rules. I therefore would like to to request you, last line, closing line, request you to take strict action against such defaulters or lawbreakers. Okay, thanking you, yours faithfully, whatever the name is given, Tabassum, it is given na, Tabassum, whatever the spelling is given, I'm not aware of that, Tabassum. Okay, so I therefore would like to request you, here, request you to take strict action against such defaulters. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Tabassum. Okay, dear students. So this way we have to write the letter to civic authorities. So it's all about this video. In my next video, I'll discuss the remaining syllabus of revision test 1. Thank you for watching this video. See you tomorrow.